How 3D printing is revolutionizing soil studies. Video notes, Blueprint to Reality. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where civil, structural, and geotechnical engineering concepts are explained clearly and practically. In today's video, we'll explore how 3D printing is revolutionizing soil studies, how advanced 3D printing technology is transforming laboratory and field experiments in geotechnical engineering. From creating precise soil models to simulating complex stress conditions, you'll see how 3D printing is accelerating research, improving accuracy, and enhancing understanding of soil behavior. 1. Introduction. Understanding soil behavior is fundamental to geotechnical engineering, but traditional lab experiments are often time-consuming and limited in scale or precision. 3D printing offers a way to create highly controlled, repeatable, and customizable soil models, enabling better experiments and faster data collection. 2. Importance of 3D printing in soil studies. 3D printing allows engineers to create scale models of soil structures, simulate complex soil layering and heterogeneity, conduct repeated experiments under controlled conditions, reduce material waste and experimental costs. This enhances research efficiency and improves the reliability of soil behavior predictions. 3. Types of 3D printing used in geotechnical studies. Binder jetting. Deposit a liquid binding agent onto soil or sand layers creates precise, stable 3D soil models. Extrusion-based printing. Layers of paste-like soil or clay material good for simulating natural soil compaction and layering. Powder bed fusion. Fuses powdered soil particles using heat or laser, produces detailed miniature soil structures for testing. 4. Applications in soil mechanics. Slope stability tests. 3D printed slopes allow testing of failure mechanisms, foundation studies, simulated soil structure interaction under controlled conditions, erosion and flow studies, reproducing channels and soil profiles to study water-soil interactions. 5. Advantages over traditional methods. Precision. Detailed layering and geometry control repeatability. Consistent models for repeated testing, cost efficiency. Less material waste and faster setup complex structures. Ability to model non-uniform soils and complicated geometries. 6. Integration with sensors and instrumentation. Embedding small sensors in 3D printed soil models, real-time measurement of stress, strain, and moisture movement, AI-assisted data analysis for improved understanding. This combination allows dynamic experiments and predictive modeling in the lab. 7. Research and innovation trends. Multi-material printing for simulating mixed soil layers, biodegradable materials to mimic natural soil properties, 3D printed geotechnical models integrated with AI for predictive analysis, rapid prototyping of soil experiments for academic and industry research. 8. Challenges and limitations. Material properties of printed soil may differ from natural soil. Scaling effects may require careful calibration. High initial cost of precise 3D printers, limited experience and standardization in the geotechnical field. 9. Future outlook. Wider adoption of 3D printing and experimental geotechnics, integration with virtual simulations and digital twins, combining 3D printed soil models with real-time monitoring and AI, enhancing education and research efficiency for civil engineering students and professionals. Conclusion. 3D printing is revolutionizing soil studies by enabling accurate, repeatable, and efficient laboratory models. This technology accelerates research, improves experimental reliability, and opens new possibilities for studying complex soil behavior, helping engineers design safer and more efficient infrastructure. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to Blueprint to Reality for more insights on civil, structural, and geotechnical engineering topics. Let us know in the comments which topic you'd like to see next, and continue learning how engineering ideas move from blueprint to reality.